Okay, here we are going to talk about your Overdrive light. It's on the 93 Ford Bronco. And you can see right here, the engine is running. RPM's up and everything up to 1,000. And when you push the button, the light doesn't come on. So I do have the new one right here. And we're going to see if we can take that one out and slip this one in right here real quick. We get the Leatherman blade out real quick to pull this out. Take a sec. That's right, the Leatherman. Okay, the Leatherman skids down out of my way. Boom. Pull that out. Come on, baby. Pull that out. Old. Let me see. Old. The new light goes in. Lines right up here with that little thing there. Push that in. Let's see. What do I do here? I guess it's already in, huh? And I guess this goes right here, right there. Okay, I can see that. I don't see it going in. Okay, I'm not ready to go in. There we go. On and off. $10 part.